Good morning, Internet. This is your boy Tony Rey-no coming at you from Two Wheel for Fun. Yo, peeps, sorry for the delay of this episode. So, since I've kept you waiting, let's dive in, shall we? As you already know, I pulled into Hotel Olympia for the night and dinner was exquisite. I mean, a full salad with Italian dressing, go figure, baked chicken and potatoes seasoned to perfection. I mean, if the taste and smell could jump through the screen, you'd have to go run and slap your mama. I ain't lying. So anyway, dinner set me up for a coma-like sleep and I awake, fresh and ready to rock. Pardon me as I get the bike packed, but while I'm doing all of this biker stuff, enjoy the view from above. Alright people, I am back now. Back on the bike, leaving the hotel. And I kind of wish I had another night here, but you know, it is what it is, right? And as most of you already know, I had a few issues with the bike yesterday, and unfortunately, I couldn't duplicate the problems I was having, so I'm going to press. Whatever the issue was, for now, it seems like fresh gas has solved the issue. So, since I'm so far south, I'll abandon Switzerland for today. I mean, Bormio is at the base of the Stelvio Pass, so let's do that. And if all goes well, I can sneak around to the Dolomitic Mountains and hit Switzerland in a day or two. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but at least that's what I'm shooting for. So, yeah, let's ride.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ella son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Ya, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, girl. Pero explicado que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, y si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Y si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. El primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad.
Alright people, the Stelvio Pass, built between 1820 and 1825 by the Austrian Empire to connect the former Austrian province of Lombardy with the rest of Austria. The road has changed very little since its inception, and the original 75 hairpin turns that lead to its 9,045-foot summit still remain. Stelvio is the highest paved mountain pass in the Eastern Alps, and second in overall height to France's Col de la Cerne by a mere 23 feet. The pass is known by a few different names. Americans know it as Stelvio, Italians Passo della Stelvio, and the Germans know it as Stilfsjord. I hope I pronounced that right. But no matter where you're from or what you call it, there's one statement that rings out from all that conquered, and it is best displayed by Michael Caron's first trip to the Alps.
There you go. All right, man, got you on camera now. Final words, as this is the end of the tour and beautiful sights like this in the background. What do you think about the 2019 European Alps tour?
Yeah, that's been great. Sucks it has to come to an end, but I am ready to go home.
Got you.
But we will be back next year.
For sure.
Switzerland takes the cake, but Stelvio was, god damn. For everybody in Sicily, you better not leave without coming out here. Thanks to my man Tony Rey-no and Two Wheel for Fun, made it happen.
Yeah, that's it. Stelvio. God damn. For more information on Stelvio, check out the internet. But here's part of the view from the Boreal side.
You know, my wife asked me, she said, no, we didn't ask. She said, you already been to Stelvio, why are you going up there again? I'm like, what? You cannot come to the Alps and not go to Stelvio. This is like one of the passes. This is one of the must-do passes if you come to the Alps. Stelvio, man, this is the creme de la creme. It's a nice waterfall.
In the sweet despair, I find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed.
Yep, already not even 10 minutes into the ride and I gotta stop for photo ops.
Time is my only escape.
That
I know that I lost you that night.
is the way you do it.
I know that you've already left me. Anger will burn
Stelvio Pass, people, up from Barimo.
There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, I broke
Man, some things you just can't get enough of. That's how they square off the turns. That's how you handle the turns when you come to the Alps. Square them off. Get as close to the, well, they didn't get close to the apex that time. Only because they're going wide. Yep.
I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, a broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around.
All right, people, this is Tony rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. I got all cameras going. I just took about maybe 10 minutes of drone footage. Now I got the face cam. I got the 360. Hopefully it's angled correctly. If not, I'll have to catch that later. And I am on the Stelvio Pass, getting ready to run all this shit. Hopefully of me. So now we are recording, hopefully 360 footage. And I say hopefully because hopefully I got that shit angled right. Let's see how your boy do it. Yo, yo. I'm just gonna going up the Stelvio Pass. So I'll be able to hopefully chop this up. Whew. Like I say, people, if you think you got a good shot somewhere, go up the road 10 or 15, about two or 3 minutes. I guarantee you, you will have another good shot. Hello? Yeah. Photo.com. Square off, stay off the rear brake, and go. There you go. Hopefully 360 is popping. I don't know where the stitch line is, but we'll see. afraid to lean. As long as you're on the throttle, you're not gonna fall over. So don't be afraid to lean. Lean with it. Roll with it. Yesterday, rolling through. Man, oh man. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh man. Stelvio Pass. Okay, I think I'll go up Stelvio and then come back down. Let's see what's up here, because I think the other way is Stelvio, but I've never been up here, so let's see. Umbrail Pass. Yeah. Right. You're mountain biking up there. Oh yeah, check that out. Beautiful. Hello? Okay, tell you what, let's turn around, do Stelvio, get my bearings right on what I want to do, where I want to go, and we'll go from there, because I think this is nice too. And I've actually I don't think I've ever been this way. You know, the funny thing, people, I haven't even been concerned with putting up stickers. I guess it's just not something I want to, well, let's be honest, I forget about that I have stickers. So, but I'll go back up, put some, because I just want to see where the Umbrail Pass leads to. Let's just go one more corner, go back up Stelvio, and that way I can get you guys another shot of how things look. And I'll see where this leads to, maybe. So let's find a good place to turn around, and I'll do that. Yeah, because this looks like a really good, oh yeah, man, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Let's get that shot. Hello, how you doing? Oh, look at that. This is the Umbrail Pass. So I'm gonna get a sticker here and place it on here. Then I'll get another one and put it up on the sign. Hello, still got the cameras rolling. So we are good, but this is a good place to turn around. So two-wheel for fun on the Umbrail Pass. How about that? Yep. Can't tell me I wasn't here. Yeah, baby. Nice. Real nice. Tell you what, let's go back up here. Let's come down to Stelvio. See where we're at and decide where we want to go. Because I'm not sure. Yep. All over the map on that one. Paso Stelvio. This is Stelvio, people. Rengifo. There's the Paso Stelvio sign. It's the shop. Loads. And this is the view, people. Doesn't get any better than this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why we're here. This is the Stelvio Pass going. I came up from the Italy side. Now I'm getting ready to go down the Switzerland side, I think. Pass, like so. Oh, right. Hey, all right, Goldwing. Hey, is that the guy? Right. see the biker. You know it's a bad day when a biker passes you. No, I'm just cruising along, trying to get proper footage. Is he down? Oh no. Nope.
And unfortunately, people, this was my last turn on the descent. I had high hopes of making the Dolomite Mountains, but it was not to be. After pulling over for a quick snack and bathroom break, my problems of yesterday turned. So I switched to emergency mode and called the ride altogether. Being so close to Bormio, I opted to reverse course and head back up Stelvio. Once again, I find myself in Bormio. I filled with gas and checked the map. I figured I could make it to Milan, but I wasn't sure. But with plenty of daylight and light traffic, I was in and out of Milan before I knew it. Pressing on and making it to Florence, I remembered Hotel Villa Ambrosnia and returned there for the night. The next morning, I'm up and ready to rock. I need to maximize every second of daylight on the off chance the bike ups and quits. It's running for now, and I've noticed if I keep it around 4,000 RPM, it runs fine. The only problem is that's about 60 miles per hour, and I gotta make it all the way to Sicily from Florence. Let the battle begin. I ride, people. I mean, I ride. Stopping only for gas, and at 60 miles per hour I had estimated about 4 hours between stops, but whatever was affecting the throttle response had moved on to the fuel gauge. Once again, in emergency mode, I was pulling over every 2 hours to refuel, just because. I mean, I have ADAC, but the bike is still moving, and deep down inside, I know she's not going to let me down. I feel she wants to get me home, so I'm gonna let her try. From Bormio to Florence, and now from Florence to as close as I can get to Sicily. Now, anyone in their right mind would have made their way to the ferry in Livorno or Salerno for an easy adventure. But referring back to the first episode of this series,
You know, I don't know where I get all this stuff from. My mom says I'm crazy in the head, and that's where all these thoughts come from.
you know better than that. So I push from Florence to Rome, Rome to Naples, and through the Amalfi Coast. Yeah, I should have stayed on the Autostrada, but yo, it's the Amalfi Coast. From here, I continue home. In total, I pushed over 1,000 miles in the last 2 days. My 14R is tired. She's hurt. But she keeps on pushing. She tells me I got 60 miles per hour for you, Tony Rey-no. We're gonna make it home.
Okay, what's up, people? This is Tony Rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. Signing off from the motorcycle tour. Left Sicily, Italy, Switzerland. The main plan was to get to France, but it didn't happen on this trip, so maybe next time. Then doubled back and came home, made it back home in 2 days, or I should say made it to San Giovanni in 2 days. So now a 20-minute crossing and about an hour to, shit, I forgot where I stayed. Hour to Sigonella. So hopefully it's safe travels. I'll give a quick buzz when I get home.
that is how you do a Swiss Alps tour. I finally made it home to the signal enable installation where Aretha and I live. And you know what? It's time for a beer. Time to wash these dirty clothes. And thanks to all of you who followed along and commented and liked photos and videos and pictures and all that stuff. So don't worry, we'll have another tour. All right, peace out. Tony Rey-no, over 50, still on 2, and fucking tired. Peace.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to reply my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends. So we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through